This is one of my favorite corn recipe. Before we start, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to be making corn souffle, also known as corn pudding or corn casserole. I am going to be using a can of cream style corn, 2 cans of whole kernel corn, condensed milk. This is condensed milk. 2 eggs. Baking powder. And flour. I'm using gluten-free because I'm allergic to gluten. First, in the baking dish, put 2 cans of whole kernel sweet corn. 1 can of cream style corn. 1/2 cup condensed milk. This is a little thick, so it's taking a little longer to get out of here. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. I'm going to be using gluten-free flour. 2 tablespoons of gluten-free flour to bind it. You can also use any kind of flour. I use gluten because I'm allergic to anything that's not gluten-free. And 2 eggs. Make sure the shells don't get into your mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of butter into the mixture. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all that together. Mix, 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 stir, stir, stir. Mix the ingredients really well together. And now it's ready to be put in the oven. This is a pretty easy recipe for the holidays, or if you're having guests over. My family absolutely loves it. Check it periodically because some ovens cook faster than some, so you want to check the consistency of it. It should take about an hour to cook. You can actually tell when it's done because it's nice and golden and you can see it coming off the sides. If you love corn recipes, then you will love this recipe. It's very delicious. Give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being part of the Travel Cook 101 family.